What's up guys, this is me Madhav Dihora from Clickflix. I know, it's been a year without any updates on this channel. But this time I tried something different and new. So watch the full video till end, drop your thoughts, suggestions and hit the subscribe button and share with your loved ones if you really like this video. Thank you so much and watch the video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that